Okay, we're going to look at frustrums. Let's not get frustrated by a frustrum. What is a frustrum? Right, there's a cone, and if I take the top part of the cone off, then it creates this bottom part, which is called a frustrum. And we would be asked to find the volume of a frustrum. Well, let's think of a cone first of all. What's the volume of a cone? Third area of the base times the height. Obviously your base is just a circle, hence pi r squared, and you want a third of it. So if I want to find the area of this frustrum, this bit down here, I would just find the volume of the whole cone, then find the volume of the top little baby cone and take them away from each other. So let's do an example of that. So here's a little diagram that I've knocked up. So I've got my cone, top part of the cone, radius 3, and the big cone has got radius 6. And I want the frustrum, so I want this bit. I've been given the height of the bottom bit and the height of the top bit. Now you could be given different variations of these, so you'd have to look at the question and think carefully. So we'll find the volume of the top bit first of all. So volume of top cone, 1/3 pi, radius is 3, so it's 3 squared times by the height. Play around with all that, so we've got 1/3 times by 9 times by 5 times by pi. I'm just going to leave pi at the end. In fact, I'll do it all in terms of pi because it's much neater. So we've got 9 divided by 3 gives me 3, and 3 5 gives me 15. So I've got 15 pi centimetres cubed, something like that. Now let's do the whole cone. So again, 1/3 pi, radius of 6, so it's 6 squared, times by the height, and now you want the height of the whole thing. This is a common error, so that's going to be times by 11. So we've got 1/3 times by 36 times by 11 times by pi. So let's work all that out. 36 over 3 gives me 12. 11 twelves gives me 132. So that's 132 pi. And so the frustrum is the difference between the two. So it's 132 pi minus 15 pi. And by leaving it all in terms of pi, can you see how simple that makes it? That gives me 117 pi, I think, and that would be centimetres cubed or metres cubed, depending on what your units are. All done.